Hey everyone, Bradley tuning in, and I am coming from an open house. I'm starting actually in the next 5 minutes, but I wanted to run this video for you, give you a little bit of insight into this home, as well as share why I have a square footage fetish. And I'm going to explain that to you in just a moment, but take a look. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom townhome. We're doing an open house. We had great feedback. We had between 40 to 50 people come through just yesterday, and today is Sunday that we're filming this video, so we're excited to see who else comes through. But I want to talk about square footage because when it comes to homes like this one, which really inspired the talk, this home is the same size as a end unit townhome. And it really is about 100 square feet larger than the majority of the units in this area. Now the condo fee is a little higher, it's 105, which is still ridiculously low relative to the 98, which accounts for about a 7% larger unit. When it comes to evaluating the home, that square footage plays a huge role. In fact, in this case, it could be up to $30,000 price differential. So it really matters. I'm going to take you guys upstairs to show you the master, which I also love. They have a finished basement. There's been tens of thousands of dollars spent on this home in the last couple of years. So, I mean, we're getting the feedback for that, and my sellers are really excited to share it with you today. But there's really two ways to get accurate square footage. Most people rely on MLS, which is an issue because it is a range. In fact, up to 100, and in certain cases when you get into larger homes, several hundred difference in the range it presents on the listing. And of course, if you want to get an accurate square footage, I'm going to show you around. We're in the master. This is a walk-in closet with built-ins, beautiful. There's a little kind of reading nook here at the front, as well as the ensuite, which I know is a big deal. And so this is the unit we're showing, and there's a huge price difference. And so you want to know what that square footage looks like in your home. So to check it out, there's one of two ways you can do it. You can have your realtor run a report. If you're looking at homes when you go to price, it doesn't cost a lot of money. It's about $9 to run it to get the accurate square footage. But you, as a homeowner, can actually do it yourself at a website called aboutmyproperty.ca, a beautiful website. Check it out. You're going to need your property tax assessment that you got at the beginning of the year because that is a pin you need to log in. But go check it out, and you can get an accurate representation of square footage, especially when we're dealing in pricing our home. We want to make sure it's accurate, and it can have a vast difference. We don't want to undersell ourselves. So let me know what you guys think of this home, and wish me luck in the open house. We're starting any minute now, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. If you want a full listing, if you want to see the basement and all the other bedrooms, you can check it out on our GTA Real Estate page. I actually posted the listing as well on YouTube. I'll post the link down below. So I'll see you guys next week with more tips and tricks. Take care and keep it real.